What you see here is the very first part for Sienna, the 5 meter long, ocean-capable Setka A sailboat, which I now can officially say I'm building. Up until now, I've been creating a model of the boat in Fusion 360, from which I'm also using the manufacturing workspace to create tool paths for the CNC to accurately cut out all the different parts. Speaking of which, this took me a whole day to figure out, and there's still a lot to learn. To get accurate cuts, I'll first have to fix an error I made in last week's video when I was tramming the spindle. I shimmed the lower spindle mount, which made the spindle perpendicular to the spoil board. Exaggerated, the Z-axis itself is not perpendicular. This will give a huge accuracy problem, especially when doing two-sided machining, which I'll be doing a lot of. So we're looking at the back side of the gantry here. And this shows that the gantry needs to be corrected. And now, without the shims, the spindle is straight. And also this side has been straightened out now. So I'm quite sure that this is the correct way to do it, because now the spindle will move very aligned up and down, and holes will be straight because it's it's okay. So let's move on. So I'm creating a test piece first. I will use 8mm dowels to locate the parts on the spoil board, and also later for assembly. So I'm drilling holes of sizes around this 8mm dowel to check which size works best. So let's check. Too small, too small, too small. Not yet. Goes in, but tight. This is perfect. This is too loose. 8.2. The frame pieces will also have locating features for which these 4 ends are cut. With these I can later check the tolerance I'll have to model in, so the features will fit together perfectly. Also here a tolerance of 0.2 seems to fit the best. Very good. Time to source some wood for the first frame. I've chosen to go with Douglas fir, which is stronger as pine and very rot resistant. I believe it's also what you get if you order a CNC timber kit for the Class Globe 580. I chose to go with these raw sawn boards because of the grain structure. On the outside of the tree, the grain is optimal for making frames. It's hard to find construction wood with this structure and without knots. This is the piece that's going on to the CNC right now, and hopefully this is the first piece that comes with me over the Atlantic. This is it, the first real part of Sienna.